A tire bead wire is a high tensile steel wire which is used in the construction of tires. It is a single wire which is formed into a continuous loop and is encased within the tire's rubber. The bead wire helps anchor the tire to the rim of the wheel, thus giving stability and strength to the tire. This crucial and significant component helps ensure that the tire stays in place on the wheel rim irrespective of high speeds or heavy loads. Bead wires are manufactured from high strength steel, which allows it to withstand the forces generated by the weight of the vehicle and the stress of the road. In the tire manufacturing process, the bead wire is coated with a thin layer of rubber, which ensures its protection from corrosion and damage. The wire is then wrapped with multiple layers of rubber, fabric, and steel parts to form the tire structure. In short, the tire bead wire provides stability, strength, and durability to ensure safe driving. Here is what a stack of bead wire looks like. Kindly note that additionally, Rajratan Global Wire Ltd also makes high carbon steel wire, which is used in automobile, construction, and engineering industries. FY22 to 23 quarter 4 was a bad period for many industries, including tire industries, and hence also for Rajratan Global Wire Ltd. The reasons are there for everyone to see. These are the geo-economic and geopolitical crisis brought about by COVID-led China's global supply chain crisis and the Russia-Ukraine war. The bead wire industry in China was severely affected by COVID-induced shutdowns, leading to dumping of materials at lower prices to customers. Also, there was lower volume for the Thailand business due to lower demand in US and Europe tire industry. As a result of all this, Rajratan consolidated net profit declined 28.5% to 23.31 crore on 6.9% decrease in net sales to rupees 224.56 crore in quarter 2 FY23 over quarter 2 FY22. Here in this slide we see the figures released for quarter 4 FY23. Here is the prime reason why you should never give up on Rajratan Global Wire Ltd. It is a significant Indian proxy player in the global tire industry comprising 28 brands. Tires are crucial to the transport sector, agriculture sector, mining sector, aviation sector, and defense sector. Now you can begin to understand the significant scope of the proxy play that Rajratan Global Wire has. Despite a dismal FY 2023, Rajratan Global Wire remains optimistic in the sense that they expect the demand to recover in FY 2024 and are closely collaborating with tire companies in Thailand and Southeast Asia for securing bigger volumes in future quarters. Also, the domestic economy in China is opening up in a staggered manner, and this is likely to increase the domestic consumption in China. Additionally, Rajratan is also framing a price strategy to ensure that their sales and volume production capacities are optimized while sustaining their market share. In short, Rajratan is bullish about domestic consumption as well as exports to US and Europe in FY24. Additionally, Rajratan Global Wire got production linked incentive scheme from the government of India in 2022. As a part of its mitigating strategy, Rajratan intends to balance volume and price and stick with its market share in the long run. Rajratan Global Wire revealed an additional mitigation strategy in their Q4 FY23 con call, where they have decided to go full blast with their capacity usage to capture bigger market share in the face of Chinese competition. Here are the digitization initiatives that Rajratan has undertaken to prevent bottlenecking and improve manpower productivity. Rajratan's figures for return on equity, compounded profit growth, compounded sales growth, as well as stock price CAGR for the last 10 years, 5 years, 3 years, and trailing 12 months have been quite impressive. The stock price CAGR has been muted somewhat for the last 1 year, which is quite understandable. Another thing which deserves mentioning is that the company's working capital requirements are reduced from 62.2 days to 49.6 days. Also, the stock price CAGR For 3 years is 171%. And this is quite impressive. In fact, it holds out optimism for the future. If you consider that from 2024 onwards, if things are going to return back to normal in the world, then Rajratan will again go back on its original trajectory of high rates. And you will once again see the stock price CGR pick up and pick up quite well. Here is the all-time chart of Rajratan Global Wire Ltd. Rajratan was established in 1989. Rajratan was first listed on the National Stock Exchange on 1st May 1995. The company was listed on BSE on December 23rd, 2010. The all-time graph of the company, if you consider its bottom and its high, the journey is well over 3000%. Daily average delivery volume percentage of Rajratan Global Wire as of 3rd May 2023 was 46.7%. Now, according to Allied Market Research, tire bead wire market size will reach $2.5 billion by 2031. And Asia Pacific region is expected to be the largest market for tire bead wire due to the increasing demand for automobiles and tires in countries such as China and in particular India. So, Rajratan Global Wire has got immense growth and value ahead of it. Now is a good time to invest in it. Of course, I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, and you should not invest going by what I say. This is my point of view.